In this video, we'll talk about few of the string operations. One is string addition and another is string multiplication. In other words, it's called string concatenation and string repetition respectively. Let's see one by one. I'm going to take a variable I and will assign this with a word. So I becomes of type string. I'll say hello. I'll save it and I'll try to print this string variable. So it just prints. Now, what if I want to print another word along with hello? So to do that, I can use plus operator followed by another word. Say world. I'll save it and I will execute this. Now here you can see hello world are clubbed together using a plus operator and the output is full-fledged word, that is hello world. Now I am adding the plus operator and a word ahead of the already defined string variable. Now what if I do it before using these variables? For example, as a prefix I'm gonna say hi. Okay, and I'm gonna use plus operator. I'll save it and I'll execute this, and here you can see hi, hello, world. The complete string is clubbed together using a plus operator and it prints on the terminal. So this is about the string operation, that is concatenation. Now let's see what happens if I use star or asterisk, or you can say multiplication, to this existing string. I'll try to print I. So I contains a variable hello, so it just prints hello. Here it is. So let me comment this line. Okay, now I want to print this hello n number of times. Okay, for instance, say I want to print this twice. Okay, so I am multiplying that particular variable, string variable, asterisk 2. So when I execute this script, here you can see it prints twice. So unlike other programming language, it is pretty easy to repeat any particular given variable containing a string. Instead of 2, assume that I have given 100. It's going to be 100 hellos. This is pretty interesting and pretty easy, right? Yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.